Going to the cloud does not mean that you need to abandon your favorite tools. Excel Connector will let your users work with their Salesforce data without leaving their familiar Excel spreadsheet. It links Excel with your Salesforce database using a lightning-fast API connection and enables seamless data flow with a super intuitive user interface to utilize it. You can build Excel templates where your users will be able to make just one click to pull multiple Salesforce reports into an Excel spreadsheet. Utilize pivot tables, charts, formulas, and all other awesome features that Excel has to offer to transform the report data and present to them in easy-to-read format. With Excel Connector, mass import of Salesforce data is just the matter of filling out an Excel table and clicking one button in the plugin. Excel Connector will save you hours and days when doing data cleanup. Just pull a report or run a query to extract the data you need to change, correct the data points that are wrong, and push the corrected data back to Salesforce with a single click of a button. It just takes a second to update thousands of corrected data. Duplicate management becomes a walk in the park with Excel Connector. Having all your data right in front of you in a tabular format makes it extremely easy to locate duplicate entries, filter them out using Excel filters, and delete them from Salesforce in a single click. Now think all this but 100% automated, and we've just scratched the surface. Install a free 30-day trial to find out all the capabilities Excel Connector has to offer.